Job 22896. This is called Promenade Vault Striping in Auburn. Scope of work is yellow thermoplastic striping. This is going to be torch down yellow plastic, and we're looking at striping in this area and in this area. I've got dimensions here that I'm using. 172 feet is the length at this vault by 25. This is 101 feet by 25 at this vault. These are the instructions of what to do with the thermoplastic. I'm going to have quantities for a couple different things. There's going to be 4-inch yellow skip lines or dash lines that are 6 foot long on each dash. There's also going to be 12-inch letters that say no fire outriggers. And as you can see on here, there's going to be a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these stencils at each vault. So that's a total of 12 stencils that say no fire outriggers in yellow. 12-inch lettering. There's also going to be 12-inch arrows, because it says 12-inch arrow. There's going to be a total of 12 at each vault. So there's going to be a total of 24 arrows. 12 at this vault, 12 at the other vault. There's also going to be 2 signs that go on posts that are 12 by 18, as you can see right here. Red background and white lettering that says no fire outrigger on those signs. Okay? The posts are going to be like what you see out here at the property. You see a no parking fire lane sign. These are Telspar posts. These Telspar posts have sleeves in the ground. So with these 2 signs, they're going to be one heavy duty sleeve anchor, and then there will be a 12-foot Telspar post for each one. So 2 posts, 2 sleeves, and 2 signs that are 12 by 18 with a red background that say no fire outrigger. I have another site map that shows the locations of those signs and where they need to go, and those will be marked on the drawings. Okay, so looking at this parking lot here at between P and Q, it says 101 feet by 25 feet. So I'm standing, as you come into the entrance, you come up the hill and you take a left. That's P, this is Q, as you can see up there. This striping, the vault is underneath right now. So starting at the white line where that first stall is, it's going to go across 25 feet. There'll be yellow, 6-foot yellow dash lines spaced every 2 feet going across this way, and the same thing's going to be in this direction right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to follow the approximately what our stall line is, but I think what we're going to do is we're going to try to move it in a little bit. So we're going to go right where the curb line is here, and starting at this location, go all the way down. Make sure we don't stripe on the concrete. Go all the way down this with 6-foot dash lines spaced every 2 feet, and then stop, jump over the concrete, continue it, go right in front of this curb line here. And as a matter of fact, we'll go just even a little bit farther, and we'll go right in front of the concrete here and take it all the way down to the curb. Put 6-foot lines going all the way across. And then over on this side, we'll have one little obstacle, and that's going to be this curb here. So we'll start right here, stop, jump over this grate, and go all the way down the line. So it'll be a straight line down the other side too. So that means at that first stall that I was talking about, we'll go all the way across here, and then we will stop. We won't go all the way to this curb. We're actually going to stop and go a straight line right off of that curb that's down there. We'll do a straight shot down here. So it's going to come out a little ways from this curb, but we're going to go right off that yellow curb, the face of that yellow curb, and we'll draw a straight line down this. We'll snap in a line. We'll make sure we jump over that concrete so that we're not putting any striping on the concrete. And we'll create that rectangular box here with 4-inch yellow thermoplastic. Okay, so you got the main leasing office here. You've got the vault that's right here between P and Q. And if you come over here behind building N, we're gonna do the same thing. It's 172 feet by 5, so I'll have all the 4-inch yellow measured up. I'll have quantities listed for the proposal. But how this is gonna work here is we're gonna start right at this corner here of the curb. Do an imaginary straight line, okay? Actually, I changed this one up. So we're gonna go right off the stall lines here. And what that ends up doing is it kind of cuts right through that curb. So we'll just run these 6-foot dash lines, stop at the curb, jump over that curb, and then continue it all the way down 172 feet. We're gonna go 25 feet across. So that means it's actually gonna be, I think we said, yeah, I'd go right here, right off of this curb. Go straight across. Make sure we don't put any striping on top of the drain lids. Okay, but we'll go straight across 25 feet and then go this direction right in front of the stall lines. So we'll go all the way down, jump that grate right there. Make sure we don't put any striping on it. And I'll take this all the way down. These stall lines aren't very straight, so we're gonna have to go that second stall, not the compact stall, but the next stall is the farthest line that's out. So we're gonna try to snap a straight line off of that one, because all the other ones kind of go inward. We just got to make sure we make a straight line. But we'll jump over this grate. Same thing over here. We will go right along the compact stencils, jump over that curb, continue it all the way down, jump over this concrete. So don't put any striping on this. Continue it on the other side. And then approximately where that second stall is right there, that stall line, that'll be our stopping point. And we'll bring it straight across, go right around this drain lid, and then, of course, go back that direction. All right, so that diagram that shows the striping in a rectangular box with the arrows, we're gonna do that inside of this drive aisle here. So if there's arrows or stenciling that measure out to be somewhere in here, we won't do it. We'll just kind of shift it over. We'll lay it out and we'll get approval on the layout of it before it gets done. So we'll probably need fire marshal out here or somebody from Heartland Construction to confirm the location of everything as it's laid out. All right, the quantities will be provided in Document Manager and Workman's Dashboard in order to put the proposal together. But this needs to be done this year. Any other questions, let me know.